Is your bathroom hard to clean? Molded grout, cracks, and ugly caulk lines will disappear and cleaning becomes a cinch. And it's cheaper than you think. It's a miracle. It's Miracle Method. Refinish any surface. Tile, countertops, and bathtubs, even outdated cultured marble. The perfect alternative to traditional remodeling with the appearance and texture of stone at a fraction of the cost. We deliver quality work, excellent service, and the process is performed and guaranteed by trained and licensed professionals. Don't replace, refinish with Miracle Method.